What's up, A&D squad? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome.
We are currently dropping off my baby Luckies.
We just got here to the babysitter from Rover. Like we said, shout out to Megan.
Hello. Excuse my pugs. They don't know how to bark, they scream.
It's okay.
Hi. Hi. You hear the crazy pugs?
Bye, Bubba.
And then if no.
Bye, Lux. Hey, Phil, you're crying? Ready for our trip. Everything went smooth. Made it to the airport on time. I had a little altercation with some lady.
Alright, my friends, that's all I got.
Bye, guys.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Grandma? What's up?
Vector! That's me.
What's up, A&D squad? We are here. We are finally here.
What's up, A&D squad? We just landed in Puerto Rico.
I was expecting like a little island, but no, this shit is big.
Bro, that flight was 4 hours and a half long. Yeah, I took a nap the whole...
You're asleep all the time. Car rides, airplane rides, everything.
Alright guys, we finally made it to our Airbnb. Long night, but we finally made it.
You're dumb.
Alright guys, appreciate everything. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. It wouldn't. And I just, this means the world to me, bro. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. We wouldn't be here right now. It's all because of you. And yeah, we love you guys. So DNA squad, keep being flawless, keep being amazing, keep thriving, set some goals and reach them. Every day is your day. Damn. There's whales here? Mom, be quiet.
Sorry, it must have been the Hennessy.
Alright guys, we're taking buzzball shots.
We're chugging it or no? Hell yeah. Oh, get up.
Take a man.
Take one towel.
And what's your name, Daddy? Alright, guys, just go slow. Take your time. No rush. Have a little railing here if you need it. So we have a bunch more of those breadfruit over here, more of the pana, as well as a ton of bananas in here.
Nice. Is there any monkeys out here?
We do not have monkeys. So we do not have a lot of mammals because the island of Puerto Rico was never part of any other larger landmass. We are formed from a volcanic eruption under the ocean, pushing the landmass up. So we were never Pangaean. So there was never any other landmass attached to us. So every animal that is here, that is considered native, is here because it came through the sky or through the water.
That's where we're going. Natural water slide. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Hi, Happy. Are you happy today?
Everything. Just make me famous, puppy.
Right, I got you.
Yeah, puppy.
What's your
Chulo
name?
over here. One of the best tour guides, but you got the sexiest one.
I'm going to explain what everything is in the case. Everybody's going to pick 2 items from the case, okay?
This is beef plantain. Right, I said that right? Beef plantain, let's check it out. 7.8. That flauta type thing.
There's usually one right there. Yeah, behind that.
I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9. What is it, like potato and beef
Fried.
ball? Fried ball, I guess you could say. But I give it a 10. This is really, really good. Really good. This is a beef empanada, I think. But it's really good. Another 8. So, but overall, guys, I give the food a solid 9. Overall.
Give it a
Solid 9.
A 6.
We're gonna finish eating and then we're gonna go to the beach and then we'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, we're on our way to the casino to go gamble. You got the number. You got it. I know it's been. Okay, you guys, 189. Guys, we're up 576. That's $7.56 bets. Oh, you win just that. 56, look. What's up, A&D squad? We are at Night Kayak.
Night?
Yep. Night Kayak. Doing the day kayak, but that's what it's called. We're at the Night Kayak, but we are doing the day kayak tour because we are not going to be in the ocean at night.
The ocean?
This is the ocean, Alexis. We're in the middle of the city, and so this is where we're going to be kayaking.
Just sunbathe a little bit. But yeah, guys.
The dead silence. We're gonna be in the ocean. That's your fear, huh? The ocean?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
deep,
getting stranded in the ocean.
deep in the ocean out right here.
Yeah.
Ready?
Now my turn. Turtle pops up his head every now and then, but I don't think they saw it. Video for YouTube. Yeah. You getting a workout there?
Yep.
They canceled our snorkeling last minute. ¿Dónde está? En la playa, soletero con la malla. La malla está aquí dinero. Si juega conmigo, pero yo soy el primero. No quiero hacer cosas que no pidieron, pero ella me pide lo que yo lo pedo. Ey, traque, me trae ese culero. Si no juega conmigo, le doy ese dinero. Mami se mueve el culo para el lado, para arriba y para abajo. Acá está en el barco. Y si la llevo en la ocean en el barco.
We made it to the UTV. So guys, we just set up our goggles. This is how we're looking.
Yeah. There's a goat casually walking. Excuse me, guys. We're just coming. So guys, the owner has 22,000 acres. guys. That's the type of lake house you see in scary movies. Guys, this is the mansion that he said was used by Fast and the Furious and by bad boys.
Go there.
Except there's alligators.
Beware of alligators.
Yeah.
There you go.
JJ, unlock.
Imagine getting stuck in the jungle, guys. Todo rápido. Go, like so weird. ¿Está bien si puedo agarrar un video?
Claro que sí, mete mano ahí.
¿Qué es nomás?
Estos son pinchos de cerdo y estos de pollo.
Ok, de pollo.
Yo les pongo barbecue encima y los pongo para allá para la vitrina para que se queden calentitos.
Ok, está bien, tío. Ahorita, ¿dónde compramos? ¿Aquí?
Aquí mismo con ellos.
Ok,
Sí.
gracias.
Dale.
Pork kebab. Looks really good. Is it? Oh yeah. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's fire. That's fire. Guys, it was a 10. I fucked with it.